Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix eARC audio output not working on your DREAME TV. So, we're gonna need to change eARC mode, but we can only change this mode when the Dolby processing is disabled, which is turned on by default. And in order to disable it, we're gonna have to press the gear button on the remote control to open quick settings menu, then open sound menu in here, and then scroll down to Dolby Audio Processing and switch off this feature. After that, return to the quick settings menu, then go to all settings from here, then select picture and sound, select audio output, then make sure that the audio output device is set to HDMI eARC and change the digital output to bypass, and then check your sound again. If this won't work, you can use other modes like Dolby Digital, MAT, or Dolby Digital Plus, or PCM, though PCM is usually enabled by default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.